This is a video on my Thomas Wooden Railway collection. I hope you all enjoy. Here's Thomas, Henry, Gordon, James, Toby, who's derailed, Duck, Donald, Douglas, Stepney, Bill, I don't have Ben, D199, Mavis, Diesel, Lady, Diesel 10, the 2000 version, Dodge, Splatter, Penelope, who's my own custom, Salty, who was also derailed, Bert, Sir Handel, Mike, who I've lost his tender right now, two Gray Face Trouble trucks, both 1997, Stone Truck, two brake vans, one has a face and one doesn't, a fuel tanker, cargo car, another Stone Truck, a brake van, Annie and Clarabelle, and Duke's tender. I don't have Duke. Now let's get on to my extra items. 2003 Thomas, a very poor condition 1996 Henry, 1996 James, who's actually in better condition than my actual James. I think 2013 Bill. Again, I lost Ben. And a Gordon's tender, who I do not have Gordon. Now it's time to get on to my off-rail vehicles. Here's, I think, a 1996 Terrence, 1994 Harold, 2001 Cranky, and now it's time to get on to my figures. 1994 Sir Topham Hatt, and 1994 Workman. So that was my entire Wooden Railway collection. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and bye for now.